Thank you. All right, so in example 18, Hayley bought a car for $45,000 and sold it for $36,000, whereas Brendan bought a car for $28,000 and sold it for $23,000. And this question wants to know who had the better percentage return on the sale of the car. Now, first of all, we would notice that both of them have made a loss. They've bought their, that happens with cars. They depreciate in value over time, so you often will sell a car for less than what you buy it for. So, how do we work out who had the better percentage return on the sale of the car? Well, you would express everything as a percentage of what was originally paid. So let's look at Hayley first. And again, I do this a little bit differently from the textbook, so there's a different method in the textbook, but this is how I would do it. So, for Hayley, she sold it for $36,000, whereas she bought it for $45,000. So the percentage of the selling price, the selling price as a percentage of the purchase price comes out at, I'm pretty sure that is 80%. Can someone just quickly do that in a calculator? So that would be 0.8, which we know as a percentage is 80%. Okay, so that was a 20% loss. All right, let's have a look at Brendan. So we can do exactly the same calculation for Brendan. So Brendan bought his car for $28,000 and he sold it for $23,000. Can someone quickly do the percentage on that for me, please? Okay, so it's 0.8214 and so on. Okay, now, so Brendan has made a slightly less, so his percentage return is 82.1% rounded to one decimal place. So he has, his loss is 100 minus that will be, now I'm on the spot, so that is 17.9% loss. So who had the better percentage return? We would say Brendan, because he didn't lose as much money. Okay, who had the better percentage return? Brendan. All right, thanks.